I'm sure you all remember Colonel Sophia, and we also remember what that Madhya Pradesh minister had to say about her. We also remember that the entire matter went to the Supreme Court. We also do know that the man in question is a Neta from the BJP. Will the BJP take action? We still do not know. This man has apologized multiple times. He's also said that maybe, quote unquote, there was some linguistic error, and he apologizes. So we all know this. Earlier today, what happened is that the Prime Minister, remember, is on a 2-day visit to Gujarat. This is, in fact, part of a lot of those roadshows, the first time after Operation Sindoor. He's used that opportunity to not just reconnect with people. We've seen a sea of tirangas as far as this particular roadshow is concerned. The Prime Minister has also issued multiple warnings to Pakistan. That message has gone out loud and clear also to the world. All that is happening. The Prime Minister again today has said, keeping in mind what Pakistan did, we had no choice. We had to strike because you cannot let this be the new normal. Can you let this be the new normal that a man who belongs to your party, as in the BJP, says what he wants to say about Colonel Sophia? Can this be the new normal? That the Supreme Court has gone so hard and heavy on this particular minister, right from an SIT to, a lot of those earlier instances where the court also had to tell the agencies that please file an FIR. Can that be the new normal? Can this be the new normal that you have this particular man saying it was an error, it was something that I might just have said? Can that half-hearted apology, which even the Supreme Court called out, can that be the new normal? Can you have the Madhya Pradesh Chief Minister, who when asked a particular question about the continuance of this man in his cabinet, said the matter is sub judice? Can that be the new normal? Not taking action against that particular man, that minister, can that be the new normal? We'll have to wait and see what the BJP does about this or doesn't do, because clearly what he has said is not in line with how the Prime Minister has spoken about the entire issue. But we must take a moment to think about the contributions of so many of our armed forces when it comes to keeping all of us safe. And there was a very nice, very powerful, very warm image that came out today when Prime Minister was in Gujarat. In one of his roadshows, you had Colonel Sophia's parents as a part of that roadshow. They were just standing in a corner. They were showering petals on the Prime Minister. The cameras captured that moment. And in that moment, I think there is so much going out in terms of the symbolism, the dedication, the entire hard work, these sacrifices that a family puts to ensure that you see your little boy or a little girl there. Now, Colonel Sophia Qureshi is a decorated officer. Her parents, Taj Mohammad Qureshi, Halima Qureshi, her sister, Shaina, and brother Sanjay, they were all there. You've seen a lot of those interviews telecasted across news channels. The family has been very humble. The family was asked a question that how do you feel, post those remarks that were made by this Madhya Pradesh minister? They said it doesn't bother us because our girl really knows what she needs to do and we know that we have to be unperturbed. How brave of that family. But like I said, this can't be the new normal. And that is why whether you will have the party taking action is important to see. But let me tell you a little bit more about Colonel Sophia Qureshi's family. She comes from a family with deep military roots. Her grandfather served in the Indian Army. She's married to an officer in the mechanized infantry. She was born in Vadodara in the year 1981. Her father, like I said, served in the Indian Army and he also fought the 1971 India-Pak War. It is also said that her great-grandmother was a warrior along with Rani Lakshmi Bai. Now, Colonel Sophia Qureshi herself has risen to prominence in 2016 as the first woman officer to lead a multinational military exercise. So I think those are things that we must know about Colonel Sophia Qureshi, and clearly the remarks that were made were distasteful, they were crass, uncalled for, and cannot be the new normal. I keep reiterating that because that is extremely significant. Now, Colonel Qureshi was also the first Indian woman officer to lead an Indian contingent and the only woman commander along 18 participating nations at the ASEAN Plus multinational military exercise Force 18. That was the term used, Force 18 in 2016. Also playing a pivotal role when it comes to Operation Parakram. This was along the Punjab border that had followed, remember, when the parliament was attacked in 2001. She earned a commendation certificate from the General Officer Commanding in Chief for her exemplary service. And her contributions are not just limited to the battlefield, but she's also played a significant role when it comes to a lot of these international peacekeeping missions. So let's remember Colonel Sophia Qureshi for this. And let not that crass remark be the new normal. I am waiting to see whether you will have the Prime Minister cracking down the whip, whether the party will take any action. There is got to be some kind of punishment to tell us that this can't be the new normal. We on NDTV will continue to keep you updated.